Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of fitness to explore two of the most popular forms of exercise, cardio and strength training. Whether you're new to working out or looking to optimize your routine, understanding the differences between these two can help you make informed decisions about your health and fitness journey. Let's break down what each type of training involves, their unique benefits, and how you can incorporate both into your lifestyle for the best results. Cardio, short for cardiovascular exercise, refers to any activity that raises your heart rate and keeps it elevated for a sustained period. Think running, cycling, swimming, or even brisk walking. The main goal of cardio is to improve the efficiency of your heart, lungs, and circulatory system. It's often associated with burning calories, boosting endurance, and supporting overall heart health. Cardio workouts can be done almost anywhere and don't always require special equipment, making them accessible for most people. Strength training, sometimes called resistance training, focuses on building muscle strength and size by working against resistance. This can include lifting weights, using resistance bands, or performing bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. The primary aim is to make your muscles work harder, which leads to increased muscle mass, stronger bones, and improved metabolism. Strength training is essential for overall body function, injury prevention, and maintaining independence as we age. When you engage in cardio, your body uses large muscle groups in a rhythmic manner, which increases your breathing and heart rate. This sustained activity helps your body become more efficient at delivering oxygen to your muscles and removing waste product. Over time, regular cardio can lower your resting heart rate and blood pressure, making everyday activities feel easier. It's a key component for improving cardiovascular health and stamina. Strength training challenges your muscles by making them work against resistance. This causes tiny tears in the muscle fibers, which then repair and grow back stronger. Over time, this process leads to increased muscle size and strength. Strength training also stimulates bone growth, enhances joint flexibility, and can improve your balance and coordination. It's not just about lifting heavy weights. Bodyweight exercises and resistance bands can be just as effective. Cardio exercises come in many forms. Some common examples include running, cycling, swimming, jumping rope, dancing, and even hiking. These activities can be performed at various intensities, from a light jog to a vigorous sprint. The key is to keep your heart rate elevated for at least 10 minutes at a time. Cardio can be done indoors or outdoors, solo or in a group, making it a flexible option for many lifestyles. Strength training isn't limited to lifting heavy weights at the gym. It includes exercises like push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, and using resistance bands. Free weights, machines, and even household items like water bottles can provide resistance. The important thing is to challenge your muscles regularly. Strength training can be tailored to all fitness levels and can be done at home or in a gym setting. Cardio training offers a range of health benefits. It helps improve heart and lung function, increases stamina, and can aid in weight management by burning calories. Regular cardio is also linked to reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Additionally, it can boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. These benefits make cardio a vital part of a balanced fitness routine. Strength training provides unique advantages. It increases muscle mass, which helps your body burn more calories even at rest. It also strengthens bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Regular strength training can improve posture, balance, and coordination, and help prevent injuries. For older adults, it's especially important for maintaining independence and quality of life. Plus, seeing your strength improve over time can be incredibly motivating. If your goal is weight loss, cardio can be a powerful tool. Because it burns a significant number of calories during exercise, it can help create the calorie deficit needed to lose weight. However, it's important to pair cardio with a healthy diet and other forms of exercise for sustainable results. Remember, the best exercise is the one you enjoy and can stick with over time. Strength training also plays a crucial role in weight loss. By building muscle, your body burns more calories at rest, which can help with long-term weight management. Unlike cardio, strength training continues to burn calories even after your workout is over, thanks to the muscle repair process. Combining both cardio and strength training is often the most effective approach for losing weight and keeping it off. One of the standout benefits of cardio is its positive impact on heart health. Regular cardiovascular exercise strengthens the heart muscle, improves blood circulation, and can lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. These changes reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Even moderate intensity activities like brisk walking can make a big difference over time. Strength training is especially important for bone health. When you put stress on your bones through resistance exercises, your body responds by building stronger, denser bones. This is key for preventing osteoporosis and fractures, especially as we age. Weight-bearing exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups are particularly effective for maintaining bone strength. Cardio isn't just good for your body, it's great for your mind, too. Aerobic exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters, which can help reduce feelings of stress, anxiety, and depression. Cardio can also improve cognitive function and help you sleep better. Even a short walk or jog can lift your spirits and clear your mind. Strength training also offers mental health benefits. The sense of accomplishment from lifting heavier weights or mastering new exercises can boost confidence and self-esteem. Like cardio, strength training releases endorphins, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. It can also provide a sense of routine and structure, which is beneficial for mental well-being. Cardio workouts can be steady state, like jogging at a consistent pace, or interval-based, like alternating sprints with walking. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a popular form of cardio that alternates short bursts of intense activity with recovery periods. Each type offers unique benefits, so you can choose what fits your goals and preferences. Strength training can be divided into several types, including bodyweight exercises, free weights, machines, and resistance bands. You can focus on different muscle groups each session or do full-body workouts. The variety keeps things interesting and allows you to target specific fitness goals, such as building strength, endurance, or muscle size. Cardio can be performed at different intensity levels, from low to high. Low-intensity cardio, like walking, is great for beginners or recovery days. Moderate intensity, such as jogging or cycling, is suitable for most people. High-intensity cardio, like sprinting or HIIT, burns more calories in less time but requires more effort and recovery. Strength training intensity is determined by the amount of resistance, number of repetitions, and sets. Beginners might start with lighter weights and higher reps, while advanced lifters use heavier weights and fewer reps. Adjusting intensity helps you progress and avoid plateaus. Always focus on proper form to prevent injuries. Many cardio exercises require little to no equipment. Activities like running, walking, and dancing can be done with just a good pair of shoes. For cycling, swimming, or rowing, you'll need specific gear. Gyms often offer treadmills, ellipticals, and stationary bikes for indoor cardio. The flexibility of cardio makes it easy to fit into any lifestyle. Strength training can be done with or without equipment. Bodyweight exercises require nothing but your own body. Free weights, resistance bands, and machines add variety and challenge. Home gyms can be simple or elaborate depending on your needs and budget. The key is to use resistance that challenges your muscles safely. For general health, experts recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week, or 75 minutes of vigorous activity. This can be broken into shorter sessions throughout the week. Consistency is more important than duration, so find a schedule that works for you and stick with it. Strength training is typically recommended 2 to 3 times per week, targeting all major muscle groups. Sessions can last anywhere from 20 to 60 minutes, depending on your routine. Rest days are important for muscle recovery and growth. As with cardio, consistency and gradual progression are essential for results. Cardio is suitable for almost everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. It's especially beneficial for those looking to improve heart health, lose weight, or boost endurance. If you have medical conditions, consult your doctor before starting a new exercise program. Cardio can be easily modified to fit individual needs and abilities. Strength training is important for everyone, not just athletes or bodybuilders. It's especially valuable for older adults, women, and those looking to improve body composition. Beginners should start with lighter resistance and focus on proper technique. Over time, increasing the challenge will lead to greater benefits. To stay safe during cardio, start with a warm-up and gradually increase intensity. Wear appropriate footwear and stay hydrated. Listen to your body if you feel dizzy or overly fatigued. Take a break, cool down after your workout to help your body recover. These simple steps can help prevent injuries and keep you motivated. Safety is crucial in strength training. Always use proper form and start with lighter weights to avoid injury. Don't rush through exercises. Controlled movements are key. If you're unsure about technique, consider working with a trainer. Allow time for rest and recovery between sessions to promote muscle growth and prevent overuse injuries. There are several myths about cardio. Some believe it's the only way to lose weight, but strength training is just as important. Others think you need to do hours of cardio for results, but even short sessions can be effective. Cardio won't necessarily make you lose muscle if you balance it with strength training and proper nutrition. Strength training has its own myths. Some worry it will make them look bulky, but building large muscles takes significant effort and specific training. Others think it's unsafe for older adults, but with proper guidance, it's one of the best ways to maintain health and independence. Women especially benefit from strength training for bone and muscle health. Tracking your progress in cardio can be motivating. You can measure distance, time, speed, or heart rate. Many apps and fitness trackers make it easy to monitor improvements and set new goals. Celebrate small milestones, like running a little farther or faster than before, to stay inspired. Progress in strength training can be tracked by noting the amount of weight lifted, number of repetitions, or improvements in form. Keeping a workout log helps you see how far you've come and plan future workouts. Progress photos and body measurements can also show changes that aren't always visible on the scale. Cardio can be a social activity. Group classes, running clubs, or cycling groups provide motivation and accountability. Exercising with others can make workouts more enjoyable and help you stay consistent. Even virtual classes or challenges can connect you with a supportive community. Strength training can also be social. Many people enjoy working out with a partner or joining group fitness classes. Sharing progress and tips with others can boost motivation and make training more fun. Gyms and online communities offer support and camaraderie for all fitness levels. Cardio is highly adaptable. You can adjust the intensity, duration, and type of activity to suit your needs and goals. Whether you prefer indoor or outdoor workouts, solo or group activities, there's a cardio option for everyone. This flexibility makes it easy to stay active, even with a busy schedule. Strength training is just as adaptable. You can modify exercises to match your fitness level, available equipment, and time constraints. Whether you have a full gym or just a small space at home, you can create an effective strength routine. Progression can be achieved by increasing resistance, reps, or sets over time. Recovery is important after cardio workouts, especially high-intensity sessions. Cool down with gentle movement and stretching to help your body return to normal. Hydrate and refuel with a balanced meal or snack. Adequate rest between sessions helps prevent overtraining and keeps you feeling your best. Recovery is crucial in strength training. Muscles need time to repair and grow after being challenged. Incorporate rest days and focus on sleep, nutrition, and hydration. Stretching and foam rolling can help reduce soreness and improve flexibility. Listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed. Cardio is an excellent starting point for beginners. Activities like walking, swimming, or cycling are low impact and easy to learn. Start with short sessions and gradually increase duration and intensity as your fitness improves. Cardio helps build a foundation for overall health and prepares your body for more challenging workouts. Strength training is also beginner-friendly. Start with basic bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges. Focus on learning proper form before adding resistance. Gradually increase the challenge as you gain confidence and strength. Many resources and classes are available to guide you through safe and effective routines. While cardio is often associated with weight loss, its benefits go far beyond burning calories. It supports heart health, boosts mood, and increases energy level. Cardio can be a fun and social way to stay active, and it's an important part of a balanced fitness routine for everyone. Strength training isn't just for those looking to build big muscles. It's essential for everyone, regardless of age or fitness goals. It helps maintain muscle mass, supports healthy metabolism, and improves daily function. Whether you want to tone up, get stronger, or simply stay healthy, strength training should be part of your routine. The best fitness routines often combine both cardio and strength training. Cardio improves heart health and endurance, while strength training builds muscle and supports metabolism. Together, they provide a balanced approach that maximizes health benefits and keeps workouts interesting. You don't have to choose one over the other, incorporate both for the best results. Finding the right balance between cardio and strength training depends on your goals, preferences, and lifestyle. Some people prefer more cardio for endurance, while others focus on strength for muscle building. Experiment with different routines to see what works best for you. Remember, consistency and enjoyment are key to long-term success. If you're new to exercise, start slow and set realistic goals. Mix cardio and strength training for a well-rounded routine. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Seek guidance from fitness professionals if you're unsure where to begin. Most importantly, choose activities you enjoy to make fitness a sustainable part of your life. In summary, both cardio and strength training offer unique and complementary benefits. Cardio supports heart health and endurance, while strength training builds muscle and boosts metabolism. By understanding the differences and advantages of each, you can create a fitness routine that fits your goals and keeps you motivated. Remember, the best workout is the one you enjoy and can maintain over time. Here's to a healthier, stronger you.